The owner of this home in Northeast Cedar Rapids says his house needed a lot of repairs after the August 2020 derecho. A contractor charged with theft almost got a get-out-of-jail-free card of sorts. See, our TV9 I-9 investigative team found the reason that the charges against that contractor were dropped is because the Linn County Attorney's Office didn't file a document on time. I-9 investigative reporter Ethan Stein shows us how this is affecting a Cedar Rapids homeowner.
Among the thousands of properties damaged from the derecho, there is this home in Northeast Cedar Rapids. Its owner, Stephen Kafis, says it needed a list of repairs.
We had roof needed to be replaced, gutters needed to be replaced, and the siding needed to be replaced all in the house.
He got 3 different estimates for about $2,000, $8,000, and $12,000 and sent out 3 different checks to pay for half the work.
$11,800.
Those checks were cashed, but the contractor never came back to the home.
How frustrating was it when he kept giving you, a different excuse for the reason why the work wasn't getting done?
Extremely frustrating, because it was everybody around us, they were getting some work done, but we were coming into the wintertime. We didn't know if we had leaks on the roof or not.
The contractor, Ryan Standard, was charged with stealing from the homeowner and 3 others using a similar technique. In each case, prosecutors say Standard asked for a down payment for derecho repairs and never did the work. But a judge dismissed each case. The judge says a new Iowa Supreme Court decision gives attorneys 45 days to file this document listing all the charges after an arrest. The Linn County Attorney's Office thought that 45-day clock started after he went before a judge. That resulted in these papers filed about 7 days too late. Linn County Attorney Nick Maybank says this happened because his office interpreted the law based on previous decisions from the Iowa Supreme Court, and it has filed new charges against the contractor to get victims their money back.
I mean, I don't know if he's going to miss another date, or is he going to actually take this and actually work with it? I don't know.
Regardless, Kefis lost confidence in the system, along with, for now, losing thousands of dollars. In Cedar Rapids, Ethan Stein, KCRG TV9 News.
And if you have a story you'd like to have us investigate, you can always reach us on the I-9 tip line. It's 319-399-5928 or email newsroom@kcrg.com.
Well, if they're not going to listen to me, maybe they'll listen to, something on the news.
After calling our KCRG TV9 I-9 investigative team, that Cedar Rapids homeowner will get the chance to get about $10,000 back. The Linn County Attorney's Office missed a filing deadline, which led to a derecho contractor's theft charges being dismissed. I-9 reporter Ethan Stein joins us live in the studio to show us what changed after we got involved. Ethan?
Beth, after we started asking questions, the Linn County Attorney's Office filed new charges to get victims their money back. Originally, prosecutors said a derecho contractor named Ryan Standard stole around $30,000. Those charges were dismissed. The reason? These 4 pages were filed about a week late. Earlier this year, Steve Kafis was frustrated with the Linn County Attorney's Office.
I don't know if he's going to miss another date, or is he going to actually take this and actually work with it?
After prosecutors missed a filing deadline, a judge dismissed his contractor's theft charges. A misstep leaving Kafis with no option other than a lawsuit to get his money back, which he'd have to pay for.
Extremely frustrating.
But now he and 3 other victims will get an opportunity through the criminal court system to get their money back. A plea agreement between the contractor and the attorney's office was reached after new charges were filed. The specific plea agreement is not online in the court system, but our I-9 team found out details using emails we received between victims and the Linn County Attorney's Office. Those show the contractor will receive a suspended prison sentence and probation, and victim restitution will be a part of his sentence. Kafis is still frustrated the Attorney's Office didn't ask for his opinion.
It's like we didn't matter. It was more of what's going to be the easiest way to get this guy. Talk to us. Ask us what we were looking for.
Federal prosecutors might be looking at the contractor. His plea deal is a special type called an Alford agreement, meaning he believes there's enough evidence to convict him while maintaining he's innocent. Emails from the Linn County Attorney's Office say he did this because he is afraid federal prosecutors will indict him, and he didn't want them to be able to use his plea against him. While bargaining, emails show the contractor was also looking for a letter from federal prosecutors indicating that they would not prosecute him for these offenses.
We reached out to federal prosecutors and the contractor's attorney on Friday. Neither got back to us. The Lynn County Attorney's Office did tell us it was pleased it was able to use other charges to get a conviction. In studio, Ethan Stein, KCRG TV 9 News.